Hey everybody, I am headed out. I'm not really a vlogger, never have been, so this is going to be probably a terrible video, but I'm headed down to Tillamook, Oregon, meeting up with Bubblegut Brews, aka former beer man, and we're going to check out Brewing and see how it goes. I'm thinking we'll head up to Battery 245 in Warrenton after that. So I'm gonna head out on the road and I'll see what kind of video I can get when I get there. Cheers. Ooh, look at that price there. Go for it. All right, guys, DeGard is done and dusted. The watermelon Jolie was not very watermelony, but it did improve as it sort of got up to room temperature, less funky, less of that, I don't know, barnyardiness. So now we are headed up to Battery 245. We'll see if Jonathan's working, and I want to get a burger and try their beer. And then I think if there's time, we're going to stop by and see Bubblegut Brews TV's live brew space. Well, here we are, Battery 245. Don't think Beer Man's here yet, but we'll find out. Look at that. Smash burger. Well, we made it home, safe and sound, no traffic. That is crazy. I don't know why it looks like I'm not looking at the camera right now because the phone's right in front of me, so this is bizarre. But I'll say this, thanks to Bubblegut Brews TV and his wife for their amazing hospitality, and appreciate spending the day with them. And did not get to see John, one of the owners over at Battery 245. He was not in. I asked the staff. So hopefully I'll get to see him another time. But anyway, good times, and I'm sure more to come. Cheers.